Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a police officer position. In this YouTube video, I will cover all the do's and don'ts, but I will also write an example letter on the spot within just several minutes. Now once you are done writing your own version, you can visit the link in the description and download one of the many matching resume and cover letter templates. This will increase your chance of getting hired. Now before I start writing the example cover letter, let me first emphasize on the top 5 key points of attention. First off, we need to use the appropriate font and font size. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size is most suitable. I would suggest to not use novelty style fonts like Comic Sans, script style or handwriting fonts. Furthermore, keep a word count of around 300 words and divide the cover letter into 4 paragraphs on a one-page document. Secondly, emphasize on the most important personal traits. And these include, for example, your ability to remain calm in challenging or dangerous situations, mature and assertive attitude, or your ability to handle responsibility. Thirdly, emphasize on the most important key skills such as interpersonal, communication, team working, negotiation, and problem-solving skills. Fourthly, many vacancies are focused on a specific branch, such as the Criminal Investigation Department or Drug Squad. Only mention related skills and experience to this specialization. At last, keep your cover letter short, concise and to the point. Avoid using long complicated sentences, but write in simple English. And after you are finished, make sure to proofread your letter and use the word spelling check. Alright, that's it for the most important points of attention. And if you have any questions thus far, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Now let's start writing the cover letter. First we start off by listing our personal information on the left side. Put the date between white lines, and after that we include the HR manager's information. As for the salutation, you write Dear Mr. Miller or Greetings Mr. Miller. Make sure to address your letter to someone instead of writing a neutral opening like Dear Hiring Manager, Dear Sir or Madam, and especially not to whom it may concern. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, we need to direct the reader's attention. For example, express your excitement and tell the reader where you found the vacancy. And if the vacancy was referred by a mutual connection, you should definitely highlight it in your letter. Inform the reader what you are going to elaborate on and try to already use some important keywords to hold their attention. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself, followed by your motivation for the job role. Inform the reader about your commitment to law enforcement and security. Tell him or her why this specific job appeals to you. For example, what triggered you to apply and what are your ambitions? Make sure to personalize your cover letter. Now, by doing so, you show the reader that you did your research. In the third paragraph, you have to match your skills and experience to the job requirements. Provide a comprehensive summary about your major personal attributes related to the competencies. Explain which fundamentals of policing you master, and it is even better if you can substantiate these choices. In the last paragraph, you need to briefly summarize your core message. Express your interest to further discuss the possibilities to work at their police department. This is an effective way of politely initiating an interview without being too pushy. And after that, you need to thank the reader for their time and consideration, and close the letter in a compelling way. That means using a salutation like kind regards or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Alright, so we touched upon the do's and don'ts for writing a cover letter and actually made an example letter of around 300 words. Now keep your cover letter between 3 and 5 paragraphs on a one-page document. And that's it for this tutorial. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please leave a like or subscribe for more related content. And don't forget to check out my other videos about the best introduction and conclusion examples if you need more inspiration. Other than that, thank you for watching and until next time. Bye!